Access your video doorbell from anywhere, at any time with Virtual Keypad. From the menu, select Doorbell. The event history shows recorded clips from earlier. Tap the calendar icon to filter events from a specific date. Select View Live to view the live feed from the video doorbell. You now have a direct line to your video doorbell, where you can see, hear, and talk to the other side. Tap the shield icon in the upper left corner to quickly arm and disarm your system. Select the Favorites icon in the upper right corner to activate any favorites. Tap the green phone icon to start talking through your video doorbell. Tap to mute yourself or mute the audio coming from the video doorbell. When finished, select the red phone icon to hang up and return to the menu. From the doorbell menu, tap the Edit icon to edit your video doorbell settings. Change the name of the doorbell, the video quality, and the time zone. Select Access Control to link the video doorbell with an access control device. Tap Format SD card to wipe all recorded clips from the video doorbell. Select the chime setup to operate a mechanical chime. Adjust the microphone level to fine-tune the volume. To use motion detection, tap Set up Regions. Highlight the desired boxes where the video doorbell will detect motion. When finished, select Save. Finally, adjust the sensitivity slider to determine how much motion is required to start recording. If you have any questions on Virtual Keypad, access the Help file located on the side menu under Help. Or tap our logo at the top of the menu to contact us directly.